Don't take another step unless you want a shock from my electric jellyfish tentacles. Hello, Egbert. I'm not Egbert. I'm Zapper, the electric jellyfish. And this is my ocean. You are now my prisoners.
Webster, who do you think you are scaring helpless little turtles?
And me?
Silence! Unless you want a shock from my electric jellyfish tentacles.
Egbert, Zapper, we'd love to be your prisoners. Really, we would. But right now, our turtle friend needs us very badly. He could get lost down here.
I'm warning you. I'll go find someone else to play with.
Okay, good luck with that.
You're welcome to come along, Zapper.
Forget it, Poppycat. You won't be my prisoners, then I don't want to play with you at all.
Which way did Webster go? He swam off that way. I'm worried about him, Poppy. He's just so tiny. Come on, we'll use the submarine. I'm sure she's around here somewhere. Webster! Mama! Webster! Oh, how did you know that was his name?
Call it a mother's instinct.
Thank you for bringing him back to me.
You're welcome.
Goodbye, Webster. Stay close to your mother.
Off we go.
Bye, Webster. Bye, Webster. Goodbye. Last one back to the submarine is a rotten egg. Copycat and her friends decided that there was nothing more exciting than a deep sea adventure. Wow! I wish I lived in a place with this many pretty colors.
Yes, it's quite beautiful.
Who knew there were so many fish? Careful, Zuzu. We don't want to disturb anyone who lives here. I'm going to look for pearls over this way, everyone. I'll help you, Mo. Me too. What's that? It's either the strangest fish or it's Egbert. Hey there, Egbert.
I'm not Egbert. I'm Minnesota Jones, world famous treasure hunter.
We're hunting for treasure, too. I lost one of Alma's pearls.
Oh, good luck. I've already found most of the good stuff. Look.
Egbert, that's an oyster shell.
Yes, so?
We're looking for oysters. Actually, we're looking for pearls, but since they come from oysters, we're looking for those, too.
Oh, you're wasting your time with boring old pearls when you should be looking for some real treasure with me. Come on.
Where are we now?
Oh, I don't know. The seaweed patch or something. It's not important.
Are you sure there's treasure here, Minnesota Jones?
Of course I'm sure. Puppycat, they don't call me a world-famous treasure hunter for nothing.
They don't call him a world-famous treasure hunter at all.
Whoa! What was that?
I don't know, but I think I just saw a big fish drop some treasure out over there. See you.
Who's in my seaweed?
Hello, my name's Alma.
Is that so? Well, Alma, what are you doing in my seaweed patch?
We're looking for oysters. Do you know where we can find one?
This is the last place you're going to find an oyster. Now, go on, get out of my seaweed. I've got work to do. That seaweed isn't going to pick itself.
We're not going to find a pearl, are we? Maybe not, Alma. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, Alma. This is all my fault. That's okay, Mo. You didn't mean to lose my pearl. It was an accident. I know it's not as good as a pearl, but how about I sing a song instead? I'd like that. Hunting for pearls under the sea. Owl, Poppy, Alma, Susie and me. There's no place else I'd rather be. Hunting for pearls under the sea. Yeah! Good work, Mo.
Mo, look what you were standing on. The biggest oyster I've ever seen.
See if there's a pearl inside. Excuse me, Mr. Oyster, but my friend Alma lost a very special pearl today, and we're looking for another one. Well, we were wondering if you have a spare you might not want anymore. We'll be very careful with it this time. A pearl! Yes! Look how sparkly it is.
Marvelous. Great work, Oyster.
Thank you, Mr. Oyster. This is the sparkliest pearl ever! Alma was so happy to have a beautiful new pearl for her bracelet. Now the bracelet was even better than before.
Brilliant solution, Poppycat.
Thank you, Owl. I'm floating! Woohoo! Careful, Zuzu. You might... Oh, knock someone over. I didn't expect that to happen. Look what I found! I wonder what it is. Probably something that belonged to a princess before it was stolen by pirates. Really? Yes, I bet there's all sorts of lost pirate treasure down here, like jewels and gold coins and chewy bones. Exactly. Mo, found your keys. Okay, I'm ready to go home. But what about your collection? That scary squid's got it now. I'll just have to live without it. Oh, don't be silly. We've come this far. We can get them back. I even have a plan. Alma, why don't you and Mo distract the squid while the rest of us collect the keys? Hello, Mr. Giant Squid. I'm Alma, and this is Mo. We've written a song in your honor. We have a little favor, if you please. If you please. Would you mind so terribly giving back those keys? My favorite keys. We really do not mean to make a fuss. Naturally. But those keys, they do belong to one of us. That would be me. We took the submarine deep undersea. Undersea. Which for us is quite a rare activity. Luckily. So be a dear and grant us this courtesy. Courtesy. Kindly give us back my friend's most favorite keys. My favorite keys. It worked! My keys! Thank you, Poppycat. Thank you.
What are you waiting for?
Oh, you wanted a fish for a pet.
Why else would I want one? Mission accomplished. Let's go home.
They're all here. And not a scratch on a single one. Mo, why don't you put your keys on this? That way they'll always be together. But Alma, that is your treasure. It's your treasure now. You need it more than me. Thanks, Alma. Who wants to play tag? I do. You go ahead. I'm going to stay here. Okay. Susie's it. Poppy and her friends ran around playing tag while Mo was just happy to look at his keys.
Come on now, don't be slow. We're just going past this rock and around the seaweed. Wave to the whale.
Hello, Will. Isn't this the rock we just passed?
Don't try to confuse me, Puffy Cat. Just follow me past this rock and around the seaweed. Hello, Will. Oh, that's a different whale than last time.
Egbert, I'm pretty sure that's the same rock.
Wait, then that was the same whale, too. I thought he looked familiar.
Be quiet! I must think.
I can hear music.
I can't think if you're talking.
I can hear it, too. It sounds like party music. Maybe if we follow the sound of the music, it'll lead us to the party.
Hold on, I'm in charge here.
Oh, you're right, Chief Guppy. What do you think we should do?
I think we should follow the sound of the music. Come on. I told you I'd find the party. It's inside the sunken ship.
But I don't like sunken ships. They're full of pirates and scary fish.
There? I just remembered. I have something more important to do. See you.
I'm sure there are no pirates or scary fish in this sunken ship. Come closer and have a look. It's not scary at all. Are you little Opie? Yes, and I'm 3. We brought your birthday present. This is brilliant. Go, little Opie. This is the best birthday party ever. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Opie. But I think we have some new friends to thank as well.
Because I know since
Thank you for bringing me back my presents.
Will you all stay for some birthday cake?
Please, please, please. Chocolate sprinkles on top. We'd love to. Hooray! Whoa! I'm so excited. Wait. Before we have cake, Alma, why don't we show little Opie our dance? So Poppy and her friends performed the dance that Alma had taught them. They decided to call it the birthday dance, which pleased Opie very much. And when they had all finished dancing and humming, Egbert, what are you doing?
I'm not Egbert. I'm Seymour the suckerfish. I'm the best in all the undersea world at sticking to things. See how I stick?
Yes, we can see you're quite good at it, but could you let us go now? We're on our way to find a treasure chest full of gold so we can make a statue for Cecil.
Why are you building a statue for him? No one ever builds a statue for Seymour the sucker fish.
Poppy, we'll never find that gold with that eggbird fish stuck on our window.
Maybe, if we wait long enough, he'll just fall off.
Not likely. When you get stuck by Seymour the sucker fish, you stay stuck.
Seymour the suckerfish. If we build a gold statue of you too, will you let us go?
Poppycat, how do I know you're not just trying to trick me?
I would never do that. We'll make you a statue. Promise.
Okay, fine, if you insist. But the statue must be all gold and very, very tall and look exactly like me. Now I'll take you to that treasure chest.
You know where it is?
Seymour the suckerfish, there's everything there is to stick to in the ocean. Let's go. I'm really stuck.
Oh, shame. Just direct us then. We'll go on without you.
You can't leave me here.
Of course we won't, Seymour. Come on, everybody. Grab his legs. 1, 2, 3.
Follow me.
We might as well. He might really know where the sunken ship is.
At one time, I stuck to a giant crab for 3 days. At another time, I was stuck to a boat for a week. And once, I was even stuck to a whale who never even noticed me. Face it, I'm an excellent suckerfish.
Poppy, I see it!
Wait, Seymour the suckerfish will go first. Oh, never mind. There's no treasure here.
Oh, there's the treasure chest. It's bigger than I dreamed.
Oh yes, I told you I knew where it was.
Thank you, Seymour the suckerfish. Let's open it up. Do treasure chests have tentacles?
Oh, a giant squid. I just remembered I'm supposed to be stuck to a big rock. I promised a starfish. Goodbye.
That's one big squid. What should we do, Poppy? Well, first, we should say hello. Hello. My name is Poppy, and these are my friends. Mo, Owl, Zuzu, and Elma.
And I'm Sophie. Oh, so pleased to meet you all. Are you on vacation?
No, we're looking for some treasure so we can build a statue for the royal palace.
Oh, you're in luck. This chest is full of treasure. Oh, go ahead and help yourselves. You'd be doing me a favor. That chest is so full I can hardly lift it.
Thank you so much, Sophie.
Oh, that's a lovely tiara you're wearing.
Thank you. Here, you can have it if you'd like.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Every squid should have a pretty tiara like this.
1, 2, 3.
Rubber ducks?
What kind of treasure is this? Everybody, hop in. This is terrible. This chest was supposed to be full of gold, not rubber ducks.
And without the gold, we can't make a statue for the royal palace.
Well, we tried our best. That's what matters. Look! It's Prince Cecil and the princess. Oh, Cecil, have you ever seen a more beautiful sight? Did you have something to do with this?
Well, not exactly.
I've got an idea. Why don't we use these rubber ducks to make a statue? statue for the royal palace.
That is a brilliant idea, Poppy.
Oh, Cecil, you have the loveliest friends. Come on, everyone. We've got a royal statue to build. So Poppy and her friends built a wonderful statue made entirely out of rubber ducks. And Cecil declared that in his kingdom, rubber ducks.
The part where you leapt off the side of the ship? That was crazy! I can't wait for tomorrow when they let us try out the jetpacks!
Hey, cadets Lincoln and Clyde. Your parents just called to say they're coming to get you. They should be here soon. I'm so sorry. Camp wasn't right for you. Oh, man. I was actually starting to like it here. Me too. But I guess we have to leave.